is this?
What is that? Who's it from? Who's it from?
I don't know. St. Patrick.
What's that say?
Struck.
Who is that?
I don't know.
Shauna.
Oh, Shonia. Mommy, my God.
Here. Hold right here. She got you a birthday present.
A late birthday.
It's okay if it's late, Tia. It's the thought that counts.
Especially, it might take a while because you have to figure out what you want to get them, and they live far from here.
Rip. Oh my God, Zachary. Let me see it. Give it to me. I'll throw it. What is that? You like it?
Oh, that's cute.
Hold it up. Oh, you got a card.
Okay. Open. Oh, he just
You want to read it? What's it say?
Be yourself.
What's it say?
Zach, happy
Belated.
birthday. Hope you had a wonderful day. All your birthday wishes come true. Hope you like your gift. I don't know what that says.
It says, love Shauna, Timmy, Joey, and Caitlin, your Omaha family.
Let me get that off.
You want to say thank you, Zachary?
What does that say?
The Strucks.
What?
The Strucks, their last name. Tell Shauna thank you.
Thank you.
Look at the camera and say it. Say thank you. He's being bashful.